For week 4 submission, you'll find it in the IED OCT Tuesday Fall 2018 inside the week 4 folder. There you see the PowerPoint as well. Let's open up that file. The first 3 are free response questions to which objectives and knowledge skills for Unit 3. For number 1, just which one do you anticipate being most difficult for students to acquire? And number 2 is anticipate the greatest challenge with the facilitating student learning. And 3, what questions you have related to Unit 3. So all Unit 3 related, free response questions. Number 4, this is an image of your unit conversion assessment with free responses. You had partners, you're supposed to get some peer feedback. All we want is an image of that. If you did it with Google Docs, like this example, then you just take a screenshot of that. However you communicated the feedback with your peer is what goes in number 4. Number 5, include your final assessment and answer key incorporated. Replace this text with your quiz item and full worked out answer key. Do not submit an image for this one because we want to put all those together in one doc, and then some people will decide they want to edit it. It'll be much easier than having to edit images. For number 6, answer conclusion question 1 of activity 3.6 instant design challenge. So you're going to just respond to that question how you feel appropriate. For number 7, you're going to insert a screenshot of your Excel spreadsheet presenting your Sling Machine data analysis, part 3 of activity 3.7. And if for some reason you don't get a chance to actually use that activity yet with your students, if you want to simulate that with some other data or something relevant to what you're teaching today, go ahead and do that. This is more a test to make sure that you're able to have these skills, know how to set up bins or buckets if you're using Google Sheets. Make sure you know how to do the Sling Machine histogram and the descriptive data. Video helps are coming in the email on how to do all those in Google Sheets and in Excel. So you'll be able to do that with some guidance. And then 8, how might you use the unit conversion assessment items in your classroom as a part of the balanced assessment strategy, referring back to that balanced assessment that you had in readiness training, and differentiate between sample statistics and population. So that's the submission forms for this week. So make sure that you download that file and make those changes. Again, we don't need to make copies or anything, just download it and edit that file. And then of course you'll go to your course, you're going to go to professional development, and once that loads up, you're going to scroll down to the course resume track, and we'll get the core related core training introduction, and make sure everything says complete except for the very last one because it's not complete as of yet. And then we scroll down for submission number 4, and you want to make sure to click on everything. See how this doesn't have complete? You want to click on that, and then after reviewing that information, make sure you're comfortable with it, and go back to your course, and now you'll notice that it shows complete. This is in progress because this is where you're going to submit your file. Of course, use the ones from the download. If you have any questions, just let us know.